It's only 100 pesos. Jellyfish.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
We made it. Good morning, guys. It's another beautiful day here in El Nido. Well, not as beautiful as yesterday. It's a bit overcast today. Hoping the clouds will clear. Today is my island hopping tour day. When you come to El Nido, you'll have the choice of 4 tours. Tour A, B, C, or D. You can also customize your tour if you're more than one person like me. You can get a private tour, which is a bit more expensive. The most popular tours here are tours A and C. I've decided to do tour D today. 1, because I heard that it's also actually really beautiful. 2, not as many people will be on that tour because a lot of people will be in tour A or tour C or customizing their tour. One thing that I will share with you guys, one thing that was unexpected about this tour is that they have this beautiful hike that you can hike to the top of the lagoon. However, you need to wear shoes and water shoes, which is not advertised and not provided. They're offering 100 pesos. A couple here just got really upset about that. I can understand that. I was a little irritated as well. It's only 100 pesos. I don't want to wear my shoes. My shoes are going to get all wet. So I chose to pay the 100 pesos today. So expect that if you go on some of these tours here, that you may have to pay additional prices for a snorkel or the water shoes. Knowing that, it's better to bring your own. The snorkel is included, but the water shoes are not. I should have been more prepared, but they should have advertised as well. So just be aware of that whenever you book some of these tours.
Your guy, the captain, and the crew is first time in Lido, so that's why excited.
So we have arrived to our first destination here. It's called Paradise Beach. There is only one other boat here, which is really nice. Unfortunately, the sun isn't completely out yet, but it's getting there. Oh, beautiful though. So we're gonna spend an hour here, snorkel, swim, and just relax. I just finished snorkeling over here for a little bit. Unfortunately, the water is a bit murky today, so you can't see too much. However, I did see quite a few jellyfish. Those white jellyfish, there was even a tiny little baby one, and then I saw that orange, purple jellyfish, along with some fish as well. And there's like little plankton that like bite you too, so that's one thing that you have to get used to when you get in the water here. So when you come to this beach, there's also this, I guess, jungle area up here, which I'm about to explore, guys. So going up the stairs here. Okay, there's like a sink area that is no longer in use. Okay, there's some little buildings over here. That is our boat. And now there's another boat that just arrived. There are only 3 boats here. Not many people on this beach so far. The one thing I love here in the Philippines, El Nido specifically, is getting back on the boats. It's always so much fun. Victor, yes. He is our guide today.
Yeah, welcome to the El Nido, the beautiful island in the world.
Yeah. And he let us know, make sure that you don't touch any of the coral, any of the animals. However, he said that he and the other captain crew, you can touch all you want. So just keep that in mind.
It's a friendly, not poisonous.
So just like on every other tour, guys, I've made some new friends. This is Marcel and Ariana from the Philippines. Where in the Philippines are you guys from?
Bacolod, City of Smiles.
Oh, wow. And then this is Daniela.
Yes.
And then this is family over here. He's also worked for Emirates. How long have you worked for Emirates?
9 years.
9 years. 9 years for Emirates. Must be a pretty good gig then. We just arrived at Cad Lao where we can hike up. Except we're anchored way out here, so you have 2 options. You can swim to the shore, or you can kayak. So I'm going to be kayaking. We're gonna get a 3-person kayak. Me, Marcel, and Ariana. And the total cost for all 3 of us is 500 pesos. That's to the beach and back. What is kadlaw in Filipino? What does it
In
mean?
Hiligaynon or in Bacolod, it means laugh. Laughing.
So is this like a laughing hike? Are we gonna?
Yeah, it looks like a laughing face.
Ah, a laughing face. So we're not gonna be like laughing, just.
That's why we have to laugh the whole time.
I like that. We made it! Yeah! This lagoon is beautiful. The water is like this green blue. I haven't seen that for a while, especially over there in the corner. It's very greenish blue. So right now, guys, we are hiking up the mountain here to get a beautiful view of the bay. But it is quite a hike. They're pretty sharp rocks.
You can do sunrise in the morning. Take your time, Hari.
Wow. Wow. Look at this view, guys. Look at that water. It's like that greenish blue water. The kayaks down there. Super serene. And a drone. We have arrived at Serenity Beach, which is a private beach right now for us to have lunch and relax. Coconuts and drinks waiting for us. Walk down to these huts and have lunch in a little bit. Pretty, pretty water. This water here is so green and so clear. Can you make a sand angel? Yeah. For lunch today, guys, I got some melon, banana, pineapple, chicken, pork, and some mixed noodles with carrots. Looks delicious. I am starving. She got the clams.
I'm famished.
It's pretty good. The noodles I really like. This is the second time I've come across these crazy fun British girls, I think on a girls' holiday. Okay, I've got to run up and say hi to them. You guys get a private tour?
How are you?
All right, bye, ladies.
Bye.
Bye, guys. So funny running into them. That was actually the 3rd time running into them. So I asked them, I said, where else are you going? Just so we can prepare to run into each other again. Such a small world. It's funny how things happen like that. For the last stop of the day, guys, we have arrived to Small Lagoon, which is absolutely gorgeous. It's stunning. They also have kayaks that you can rent.
Yeah,
And 500 pesos for 1 kayak.
no.
No?
300.
300 pesos.
Oh my God, man.
500 for 3 people.
Yeah,
okay. 300 for 2 people.
Yeah.
I stand corrected there. And these cliffs, look at this, guys. Straight down, super sharp. So beautiful. We just spotted another jellyfish, guys. This must be like the jellyfish season here. This is the big purple pink one.
It looks like jelly.
Wow.
Yun.
Can we tip?
Yeah.
That's a good one, right?
Is it dead or alive?
Hold.
Hold it.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Is it alive or dead?
It's dead.
Oh, it's dead. Because I went kayaking in the last lagoon, I think here I'm just gonna relax, snorkel a bit. Take it easy though, because there are some jellyfish around here, but this looks like a great place to snorkel. Well, I've made it back to town here in El Nido. Today was so much fun, guys. It was such a fun time to be on the water again, and it was a great group of people. Having a great connection with people on the boat just makes the experience so much more fun. If you come to El Nido, I highly suggest checking out Tour D. I know A and C are really popular, but if you want to try a tour that's not as popular, definitely try Tour D. If I was here a bit longer, I definitely would do Tour C. I just bought a ticket to Puerto Princesa right here. 500 pesos. It's gonna be a 5 to 6 hour van ride, and I will have to take a tricycle in the morning to the terminal. The next morning, I will be flying out to my next destination, which I will share with you guys once I get there. Thanks again for watching, guys, and remember to live every moment to the max. I'll see you guys next time in my new destination.